Today I'm showing you exactly how to get approved for level 3 options trading on Robinhood. You can go from a brand new account to advanced multi-leg strategies like credit spreads, iron condors, and butterflies. This opens up powerful income and hedging tools, but I'd be lying if I said options trading wasn't risky. You can lose your entire investment and potentially even more than you put in. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not personalized advice. Always do your own research and understand suitability. Make sure you're only trading with money you can afford to lose. But let's dive in. So I'm assuming you've already downloaded the Robinhood app, but if you haven't, make sure you download that. You're going to sign up with your info and verify your identity, get through all the setup. Then it's important to link your bank and deposit funds. Just a pro tip, you want to make sure you're funding your account adequately. I have seen that higher balances and net worth do help with approval for level 3 options, and they're also more likely to approve Robinhood Gold members. So if you can, sign up for Robinhood Gold, or if they have a free trial going on, they tend to be more lenient with Robinhood Gold members. So once funded, you're going to need to request access. You want to tap on your profile, go to investing, scroll down to options trading, and then click on enable or request access. Now Robinhood is going to ask you a series of suitability questions. And obviously I have to recommend that you answer those honestly, as this determines your approval level and protects you legally and financially. But with that being said, I have seen some reports that exaggerating can help people get approved automatically. But obviously I can't recommend that. They're going to be looking for specific types of answers to make sure you're suitable for options and you know what you're doing. So they're going to ask you a series of key questions and categories for what they look for. The first of which is going to be your trading experience. They're going to ask questions like, how many years have you been trading stocks and options? How many trades do you do per year? And they're looking for as much experience as possible. The next thing they're going to ask is how much options knowledge you have. They're going to give you some multiple choice questions on mechanics and terminology, different strategies. And it's definitely smart if you study the basics first, because you're going to want to get these questions right. Next, they're going to ask about your financial situation, your annual income, your total net worth. And this is where the more money you have in your account that you funded it with, it tends to help as well. Finally, they want to know your risk tolerance and investment objectives. Options are risky. There's no denying it. So they want to make sure that you have that risk appetite before they'll approve you. And they want your investment objective to be high growth and high risk, as they need to protect themselves in case you do lose money. So after answering these questions, approval is often instant or within 24 hours. And I have to say, most new users do get level 2 options first. They just don't have big enough accounts, or they're not old enough to automatically qualify for level 3. But don't let that stop you. I was able to get approved for level 3 that same very day. You just have to go a couple steps farther. So if you didn't get level 3 options immediately, you're going to want to go to your account, click on help and support, and you're going to request a chat or a call if it's available. You're going to politely request that you get upgraded to level 3 options. You're going to say something like, I've been approved for level 2 and studied advanced strategies extensively. I'd like to upgrade to level 3 for access to debit/credit spreads, iron condors, etc. Can you initiate the review or schedule a quick call? You're going to put this in the chat. They often transfer you to a specialist or request a phone call and verification, and be ready. They're most likely going to quiz you live on the spot with strategy mechanics. So this is the most important part. You need to actually know what you're doing and understand options inside and out. Luckily, Robinhood makes prep super easy. Their Options Knowledge Center covers everything you'll need, and I'm going to put that link in the description. Key topics like options basics, order types, risks, and finally, actual level 3 strategies that you'll be using. Now, this is a lot at once, so I've created a cheat sheet with my personal notes, common test questions I've seen, and key points from the test. You're going to want to study definitions, the payoff diagrams, and different scenarios. And practice explaining. You need to sound confident during this test. Now, level 3 options is going to give you access to everything. And I will warn you, if you don't pass the test the first time, they make you wait 3 months before you can request to take another test. So make sure you know your options inside and out before you request that first phone call. Now, once you pass the test, it should be approved within a few days. Like, subscribe, drop a comment if this helped, or share your experience. I've put the links in the description.